I will show you two different ways to build the Chordae system. However, regardless of the technique, it's very important to respect the echocardiographic measurements. First, an 8 cm long strip of Dacron is prepared. Along with 2 stitches of 4/0 Gore-Tex. We make 2 little loops this way. This is a far above retractor, custom made, modified so that the distance between the bottom and the upper incisor in the edge of the instrument is the same of the echocardiographic measurement. The build-up starts with the insertion of the loop. After that, we pass the stitch through the strip and place the strip over the upper portion, over the edge of the far above. Then we go up and down between the strip and the loop. Finally, we join both stitches and knot them to form the base of the Chordae system. The second set of Chordae is made the same way. The main difference from the first model is that this one is entirely composed of Gore-Tex stitches. After attaching the first stitch, a second one without the needle goes through the loop and is placed over the edge of the far above. Then a sequence of many knots is made till the next incisor, when we go down, passing through the loop and returning to continuing the knots till the next incisor. After the completion of the first set of Chordae, we make another loop in the middle to facilitate the implantation, because this loop will match with the middle of A2. The second set follows the same sequence.